religious beliefs to marry the person you loved. Why or why not?
If I had to change my religious beliefs, I would not marry the person that I love. Because the first person that I love is God, who created me. My faith, my principles, and this is what makes me alive. If that person loves me, he should love my God too.
裸体的那个海滩。
Mataas na yung points niya eh. Talagang siya yung, my God, pinap... Nakarek. Number 1 siya sa Hanoi. Ayan, appointed siya. Si Angola.
And remain.
Angola yan, Angola. Ay, positive kayo. At least nakasali sa out of town. Dapat Brazil itong number ano eh. Hindi naman ako.